All right, time for kind of a quick project. So we have a clearance light on the back here, and I have already taken the screw out of the cover. We put LED lights in this a little while ago, so all of them have LED lights. They've been working great, they're nice and bright, but this one hasn't been working very well. And when I took it apart, what I found is that the insides here are just completely falling apart. So here is, well, I don't know if I can dig it out, but the socket with the wire is completely rusted away and falling apart. So I got a new light housing, and I like this style because it has the single screw up on the top, just like this one has, and then it has the two mounting screws inside. And it takes a different light bulb, but if I use a 194 LED light bulb, it's still plenty bright and it looks pretty consistent with the other bulbs. And this is a new housing, so it works well. So the thing to do here is take out the screws. I need to attach, basically cut the existing wires, attach them to the new wires here, and screw this down. I'll put in new foam pieces that go along with that, and I'll also want to try to seal the holes, the penetrations through the roof here, to avoid leaks in the future since I'm putting on a new housing. All right, so I've got this installed, and I put a little butyl tape around the penetrations here, and this housing doesn't have a ground wire. It's grounded just through the housing itself, but I had a ground wire here from the other receptacle, so I went ahead and ran that to one of the screws here, and that should help me make sure that I've got a good ground. And then I used just a barrel connector with shrink wrap to, or heat shrink, to put that wire together. And now I'm ready to put on the cover, and that fits on nice and tight. Here's the old one, all rusted and terrible gasket underneath. We weren't seeing any leaks from this, but there certainly could have been leaks. I think I probably will save this housing because this cover might be useful for something in the future. But now I will turn this on and we'll see how it works. I'll be right back. All right, and it works.